Okay, so this is the What's Cookin' collection from Country Craft Creations. I got the book idea from Michelle Allen. It was so adorable. I couldn't wait to make it. I made this one for my friend Kristen. She's going to give it to her mom for her birthday. The size is 9 1/4 across, 9 inches down with a 3-inch spine. I made it real simple, and the back is real plain. Doesn't catch on anything when you put it in there. These are some little, I did do some fussy cutting and pop these out. This one here, and then this one down here is also a pop out. It is put together with some elastic so that you can add a lot of recipes in there. So this is kind of a collection of recipes and photos. So if you have a favorite recipe and you use it for a family gathering and you have photos of it, it'd be nice to put all of that together. So there's a lot of white spaces in this photo album for writing. In here we have a lot of spots. I cut all this stuff out for her so that she can put all of this on different photos, or if she has notes and there's just a bunch of empty blank white space, she can throw that on there. Maybe put the date on it or whoever's house it was at. These you can tuck behind, like that on both sides. And then it just closes, it goes left, right, up, and then down with magnets. And then we have this waterfall here. I made these just like Michelle Allen did in her book so that you could slide these through. Blank on the back, you can write on the back with one of those chalk markers or put photos on there. The collection is just absolutely adorable, so it's got that 50s old-timey look to it. I loved it. This is a little card she can put something in or write something about the recipe that was her mom's or her grandma's or whatnot. That closes with a magnet. Each one is a pocket inside a pocket, so you're going to have one of these big cards in between each page. So you'll have 4 of those large cards. This is a triple pocket here. Everything is a little bit different, so that's a folding one. This one goes the opposite direction. And then these are just a couple. This one's just one card. Fits back down in there. And then this is just... Okay. And then on this side, we have another cute little folder, but that actually holds this closed. And then you have pockets here. You can write on the back, put a photo on the back, put a recipe on the back of those. 2 more on here. They don't open, they're just cards. They go in there. Then this shuts this way. This is a tuck spot here. So it can go behind there if you want it to. And then this little booklet actually holds those flips closed. We have another tuck spot here. And then this one here is a double. So it's exactly the same. There's no closures here. There's just a belly band, and there is a stop in the center so that your stuff doesn't slide down and it'll stay right where you put it. On this side here, this is magnetic closure. This, I was looking for something to use as a tuck. This goes under and can come off. So you can really put that anywhere in the book that you want. This flips over and has a little pocket here. And that goes back in there. Then this is just a little see-through pocket. A couple pieces of paper to put your recipes on, or some photos of when you enjoyed the recipe. We have a double pocket here and here. And then this is just a small pocket on this side with some clear plastic. Another double on this side to match. Then another waterfall. This waterfall has corner pockets. So, and it should fit perfect with the recipe cards that come with the book. They fit right in there perfectly. You could put a photo of the recipe on the back, or you can write on it maybe what the recipe actually is and what you changed about it or what you like or didn't like about it. That's magnetic. And then there's a pocket here. And this closes this way. And that is magnetic closure there with this see, let's get that on there. There we go. Just got to be smarter than the paper clip. And this comes out for your third big pocket. This unties. And then you just have these ribbons that slip behind. You can also write on that if you want. There. And then a pocket here. Put a little tiny folder in there. And this is one of those cute little recipe cards that goes with it. There's a bunch of extra ones I put in a pocket in the back for you. And that just ties. This unties from the other side. So this is not exactly like Michelle's. There's a couple of differences in it, but mostly, for the most part, if you watch her video, it's exactly page by page. It was just too adorable. I couldn't stand it. I had to make one. These are a bunch of the cards. All of these fit in there. They fit in the waterfall. You can write on them. I made a lot of them white so that you could write on them if you chose to write on them. This is the fourth big card that you can put things on or write. And then here's our great big pocket. You can put some newspaper clippings or magazine clippings from recipes that you like, but these are all the leftover cards I put in there. A couple little scraps that I thought were too cute to waste. I put all those in there. And then on the very back, is just a little folder and a card to put something on. And then this is just open all the way. So this closes with the elastic piece, like I said, so you have lots of room to put stuff. And I think I showed the back already. It's nice and simple, so it slides right in and doesn't get caught on anything. So there it is.